Hi kabsat, gawa tayo ng radish salad. Yung radish na gagamitin natin, yung hinarvest ni wife. After the harvest, hinugasan natin to at nilinisang mabuti. Binalatan at hinugasan ulit. Hiwain natin to ng ganitong size. After that, lagyan ng asin at lamasin. This process is important because it will remove yung parang mapakla at mapait na lasa nito. And itatapon natin yung sabaw na na-extract natin from this labanos. After that, ihahalo natin yung hiniwang celery and lalagyan din natin ng hiniwang white onion and 1 canned tuna. Alam nyo ba na masarap paghaluin ng radish at canned tuna? And bubudbudan natin to ng roasted sesame seeds. The best ito kainin 10 minutes after mo ma-prepare para mas ma-absorb yung lasa. O ayan, ready na ang ating radish salad. Tikman na natin to. Ang sarap ng combination ng radish, tuna, onion at saka celery. Kakaibang flavor. Tapos malalasa mo pa yung sesame seeds. Try nyo na din.